He do.
But we got more on the team, man. But we got brother Billy Boondocks, aka Shabakala, in the building.
You gonna think he's on the other side?
Is she even on the other side?
Yeah, because the Ratchet right here.
Yeah, let him sit on the other side.
I'll keep my back to the enemy.
I respect my brother's wishes. I will respect my brother's wishes. I got you right here, bro.
Hey, what's the phone at, man? Hey, burn some sage in this bitch, man. Hey, my bad, man.
I shall think it.
Yeah. Billy Boone.
Okay. He's upside down, right? He's
upside down.
Y'all sitting upside down. My shit's the right way.
Quiet, lost nigga.
He got Billy, man. He got Ratchet, man. You put your phone sideways.
Quiet,
My bad.
It's definitely with you.
Nah, son.
Oh, my God. We gotta get the goods, man. We gotta get that good.
my brother has not made it to the promised apartment because he lacketh the coyness. Is this true, nigga?
Man, I apologize for the misconception, Billy, man. Ratchet, man. What's going on, man? Your boy over here, ready, man.
What's going on?
My brother has not, excuse me, cousin nigga. This is this man's relative.
I said while the homie is getting right with the FaceTime.
Man, hey, Billy, man, I want to appreciate you. Thank you for coming to Westworld, my brother.
Shalom, brother.
Is there a specific name that you would like us to call you today, sir?
His name is Brother Boone.
Brother Boone, is that his name?
Hey, hand us the box, please.
Would Brother Boone suffice?
What's up, brother?
Big shit.
I said, is there a particular name you want to go by right now, other than Brother Boone? Brother, can I call you Brother Boone?
My name.
Ratchet, say something.
Brother Boondocks.
Brother Boone. That's all I need.
Brother Boone.
What's going in and out?
Matter of fact, I'm Big Brother Boone.
Great brother.
Amen. This Negro does not know he's free.
Say something, Ratchet.
Ratchet, can you hear
Man,
me?
how do you feel about Ratchet, though, man?
My brother does not speak because he does not know he is free. Tomorrow, he does not know. He does not know.
You don't know. Up on.
Oh, that's you. Okay. Let's see who that was. That's you. My opponent is no opponent. My brother, the battle with Ratchet is one with himself.
Let me get you right.
Look.
Y'all can see each other.
Yo, Ratchet, man, can you hear us?
Look, nigga.
Okay, hold on.
They gotta bring you to me on a cell phone.
Check 1, 2 on Ratchet.
My nigga can't respond,
Ratchet,
bro.
can you hear us?
Can you hear me now, nigga? I got the whole network here. They got the whole motherfucking thing set up for you. Just so you can connect, nigga, and we still can't hear you. My brother's service is lost.
Oh my God.
Wait. I hear a lost nigga.
Yo, she going in and out.
We're losing you again, lost nigga.
What do you say again? Say again.
We're having a seance to bring Ratchet back.
You're gonna be yourself, he said.
I think my brother,
be yourself.
I think my brother Ratchet is asking you, when are you gonna be yourself? Brother Boone. Big Brother Boone.
He don't know who he is. Billy Boondocks don't know who he is.
Wow.
I believe he's
That's what
calling
it
you
is. He's
a
an
lost
attention
brother.
seeker. This is all for attention. All this attention, all this like attention seeking shit. I don't do that. I just get in the ring and whoop niggas.
All this,
like,
hold on, man. Hold on.
That's why everybody
I treat that nigga like I do in my life, nigga. That's why you show up to your face up. Because when you got a dial in, I can just hang up on you, nigga. We ain't got to listen to him, he on the phone. Nigga's on the phone. I'm not listening to nothing. On the phone.
Hold it down. Hey, salute, Billy, man. No, brother. I'm just thankful for having you on this car, man. Having you been here, man. How you feeling, man?
This is how I feel. Okay. This is why he didn't show up. This nigga, oh, I didn't have a kid. Somebody wasn't gonna kid. Somebody, nigga. You knew what I was gonna do, nigga. I wouldn't have showed up to. Oh, shit. Got a flat. Hey, it is not a good choice to come sit and talk to me. Cause then I gotta hear you talk. You better be glad I cut you off, nigga. Here's that Richard Pryor on there, nigga. From the
Now, big brother Boone. I got a question for you.
Oh shit, I might as well do the coin toss down.
You have battled a plethora of West and non-West, you know what I'm saying, legends, giants, all types of tiers.
Yeah.
What is it about Ratchet is a different test for you? If he is a different test, or do you feel like you've seen Ratchet before? So to speak.
The man that I'm battling soul is dog shit. His inner spirituals are rotten. The pituitary gland of the instrument that's in the focus of the whole epidermis.
Swan, my brother. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, Alfred Hanson, tell him how to. I wouldn't want to sit next to this shit either. I wouldn't want to sit next to this shit either, man.
Nah, the thing about
I have a
Ratchet.
question for you, bro. You might as well do your face off since your opponent ain't here.
Oh.
And you sitting right there.
Shout out Hanson, man. These motherfuckers, hey man, that's what I'm saying.
That's his cousin trying to take the energy from me, bro.
Oh my God, man. Oh my God.
You didn't want to see this battle before.
So that's all it's is you killing that nigga tomorrow? Okay, let me ask you this. I won't get into specifics, but being the fact that this battle is a one-rounder, do you feel like that changes the dynamic in your favor or Ratchet's favor?
I think it's the same dynamic it is in any round battle. Either you gonna win or you not. The dynamic don't change. The goal is to win. There it is. You have however many minutes you choose to rap to get it off. Get it off.
So I'll condense my question. Because this is a one-rounder, and I'm assuming y'all not rapping 30-minute rounds.
Yeah.
Because it has to be more condensed, do you feel like with the style that Ratchet has, do you think that that type of battle works in his favor versus a person like you, who I know you are a storyteller kind of battle?
Well, I wouldn't say that. Such thing, brother. Check this out here. See, the thing about Ratchet is this.
Tell us a story.
I'll walk you down there, brother. Okay, Ratchet, you see, is Ratchet, he has moments. You know, these blue moon moments. You know, they happen. You can't bank on them coming often. But when they come, they are nice. Amazing.
Shout out to
Total eclipse if you may.
Shout out to Ratchet.
Now, the thing is, my formulas already be condensed. I start off by adding water. You know, he has to create more condensed material, which may be dangerous. Now, what I will tell you, the advantage that he has, is when you're not that original, all you gotta do is kind of fill in the blanks. I have to think about how to sound like me again, and they take the simple template and they just put punch here, punch there. But if you look at the breakdown of the delivery, that part's easy. You know, I probably could write faster if I could fill in the blanks. You know, ever seen Mad Libs? It's like they have fill in the punchline. Yeah, it's like that. So with him, it's like Ratchet can punch. He punches. He can punch hard. We know that. But Ratchet ain't went against somebody like me. I'm his biggest battle. Look at the show I'm putting on for you.
I believe you have a message.
What is that? I'm not reading that. Is that how he feels? You should have been telling him fucking checks. You should have been here. He should have been here. He should have been here. He know how Billy get out.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, he should have been here, man.
He should have been here. We not. What we look like? I don't know why you hung up the phone on me, but we're not doing that. But peep game though. The thing is, he ain't been under this pressure before. The way I work, I ain't said no punchlines, but the room going crazy. On the face-off. Niggas in here screaming like we on a game show. I'm just being me. He can't just get in here and just be him and make the room go crazy. He wouldn't have sat there and said nothing that made everybody act like that. It wouldn't have been that because it's levels. You understand what I'm saying? It's levels. I can make it happen in conversation. You try to make it happen when you rap. So that's gonna show. I have a reputation for what I do, especially when we rapping that. Everybody knows how I get out. They know my tricks. They know all my moves because I taught it to them. I taught it. It's a science. When I say something in cryptic, I then go behind it and break it down until you understand. And then I move on. Years of doing that, I don't really need to explain much anymore. If I want to go through my leg 4 times, niggas looking for 4. No, it's more than that. There. You understand what I'm saying? Ratchet is still somewhat finding himself. He's still screaming that he's not getting the opportunities that he needs. I hear my nigga Will, hey, I don't want to miss out on this opportunity. What's up with Ratchet? Ratchet has been working hard though. He is deserving.
We'll give him his flowers.
He is deserving of this opportunity.
Ratchet to do this shit.
He is one of the ones. But tomorrow we gonna see if he one of the ones.
I got a question. Without spilling too many beans. Your last battle, I'll say. We'll just say that. But I'm not even bringing it up. Based on your last battle, which was a first battle in a while, what have you taken from the last experience that you're gonna change in this environment? Or do you feel like you don't need to change anything? That was just an environment that wasn't receptive to what you had.
I think you can't hear a rat piss on cotton. And that's a fact.
That's a fact, bro. That is a fact, bro.
Can I hit this?
No buzz balls?
Real niggas take water for it.
What a buzz ball?
Cigarette bowl dangerous, man. Brother,
I believe if a rat piss on cotton, you never hear it. If you can hear a tree in the forest, if it fall, do it, make it say, who the fuck knows? Next question. Anybody want to ask me a question here? Next question.
Hey, man, he over here fucking this shit up right now.
Next question.
I just want to know, man,
Talk to me, G.
what kind of round is this gonna be, man? Is this round of the night type shit? What kind of shit we finna expect from Billy Boone? You know what I'm saying?
You can't expect Billy Boone.
What we gonna expect?
I'm not to be expected. If you expect me, you caught me. You can't expect me. Lie and tell me you know what time Billy gonna get to the event. What event y'all been at where you knew what time Billy was coming?
Never.
Don't expect me. That's how they do this. Hey, we got you going on in 5 minutes. Psych! Psych! That's why you can't be expected. They said, we know he'll be here on time. Yeah, you ready? Rapping in front of 8 people. Don't be expected, man. You can't expect, because if you expect, it's not surprising anymore.
Hey, don't use the motherfucking time for the event, though, motherfucker.
Huh?
You use that other shit. Don't use the time when you come to the event.
What you talking about?
You said you expect what time you gonna come, motherfucker. What you mean? You just looking right here next to me.
Nobody knows when Batman gonna get there. Batman get there right on time. Batman makes an entrance. I might show up in a limousine, nigga.
Hey, shout out Billy Boone, man.
I might show up in a motherfucking limousine.
Hey, no, for real, man. You know what I'm saying? I did a couple cards. I didn't able to get you on there. I appreciate you having me
I'm
on
trying to be
here.
my friend now, Willis. I'm trying to be my friend now, Willis. Tried to do it on camera so I couldn't say no.
You know what? Fuck you, bro. We're not gonna get into it. Fuck you. You gonna be doing this shit right there.
Will, I want to tell you something.
It's a wrap. Westworld.
Yeah.
So are you on your way? Are you on your way out here to catch a body? Like what we doing? What is it looking like?
Nah, I'm coming out to the rap so I can get fucking booked, nigga.
Okay.
I'm tired of hearing about how much money is out there. Niggas talking about 50K for the great car. Niggas talking about they get $15 and money. Niggas is ass out there. Niggas fuck, so I can't use my bird.
Did he say still leave his ass?
No, he did not
You
say
see how
that.
he the story was on the great car. You right.
Okay. So this is for you to come and get your seat back. This is what you doing this for. That's what you saying, right?
Look, I was told before COVID I was next up on this bar. I took a break. Now apparently it's don't give a fuck about me. Don't become I'm so pissed when niggas gotta give a fuck about me.
Oh shit. Okay, story man. I appreciate you, man. You was on Will's Way 2.1 also, man. I appreciate you back, man. How you feeling though, bro?
Man, I'm doing this one for you, bro. I'm doing this
It's
one
my nigga right here, yo.
I'm doing this one for you because
The love.
last time, you know what I'm saying? You know? I don't know what the fuck happened.
We gonna talk about it, man, but
Hey,
it's redemption. It's redemption time.
it's time.
Demons. How do you feel about your opponent? Drinks.
Y'all already know about this nigga. This nigga's a legend, man. He don't get the respect he deserves at all. I don't know what it is. I think it is the white girl. Hey, the niggas don't feel like they can want something. I feel like niggas definitely don't get the respect he deserves. The card we whooping his ass tomorrow is about throwing niggas they need to respect. Y'all seen when I came to pay that grade, all out of respect. I'm going with him.
Listen, man. I I don't give a fuck. Y'all both my niggas. I love both of y'all, man. Who the fuck is going to take this fucking W tomorrow, man? Who finna get that spot, man? I'm trying to see who gonna get that GTX spot.
GTA.
Who going to GTX, man? That's what the fuck I want to know. You said you want that spot, Drix. Is you finna come take that spot?
My GTX spots are calm. I'm not too worried about
So
that.
well, hey, my bad, man, my bad though. You heard that shut up Drix, my bad, bro. Do your thing though. But how you coming in? Who coming with this W?
You got no idea, bro.
Who the fuck coming with this
I'm
W?
finna straight to the building, bro.
Who the fuck robbed the shoe store? Who coming to get this win?
On some real shit. This is a good ass league, bro. That's like where this nigga was like.
Who taking this money? Hey, I ain't gonna lie though, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I see it. I respect it. Y'all ain't doing too much talking. You know what I'm saying? Y'all keeping it. You know what I'm saying?
But nah, on some real shit though, you feel me? Like, niggas know what we coming to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? Like, Drix, he not finna play. I'm not finna play. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's finna be real Clash of the Titans type shit. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Like, this is survival of the fittest for real.
They say y'all finna rap about pyramids and solar systems and shit. Is that true?
I wanna know after I'm done with this battle, I'm gonna have to go do a
Geometry.
I'm gonna be on some different shit. Like, I'm talking about the Earth ain't even flat. It's a pyramid.
So it's gonna be trigonometry or geometry?
Geometry.
We talking about pyramid Earth.
Nigga,
Pyramid Earth.
The book is simulation.
Shout out to my boy Stewie, man, because I'm telling y'all, if y'all not at Westworld tomorrow, you need to.
Drix, we ain't seen you win. We ain't seen you on the West in like what, 3 years, bro? So like, are we gonna see the same drinks, or are we gonna see the same drinks, or are we gonna see something different? Like,
What's the same drinks?
is it gonna be rust, or is it gonna be a little ring rust? Like,
It's gonna be a drinks.
I'm learning the shooting now. It's always coming up. I thought it wasn't going to be, but I learned that to come that battle with it that you always got to learn. If you can't learn from just sitting at home and shit. So it's going to be some rush, but I'm a lot better than I was the last time I was out. I got a lot of time to sit back, calm myself, raise my baby boy. Like, you know exactly what I want to say and what I want to do.
Congratulations. Congratulations on that, too, man.
I appreciate it. I told Stu on the under report that I'm tired of niggas telling us what to paint and battle rap.
Okay. Right. You speak what the fuck you want to speak.
I'm kind of getting in the middle with that. So yeah, y'all sitting and told Andy Warhol with the paint to take a gave y'all a tomato can and throw it familiar. So I don't know what the fuck niggas telling me right now. Not y'all necessarily, but just the culture in general. Like, you gotta be this, you gotta be that. What the fuck is y'all talking about? Y'all here to see us. Y'all paying us money to see us. Y'all, culture need a whole shake-up, bro. That's also part of the reason I'm dangerous.
Hey, look, man, I'm just happy that you actually on one of my first cars, man. You know you my boy. I've been trying to book your ass for how long? I appreciate you even on this motherfucker too. You know what I'm saying? I want to see you do your thing. You and Stewie, man. I want to see y'all go have a crazy one.
Nigga, all these battles, every one of them.
I'm trying to see you on a whole tournament. Like, I can see you and say a whole bunch of shit about but don't say thank you. Like, I don't really say right now. I can't do the fake shit.
Nah, I respect it, man. You can't do the
Oh,
things.
you ass, not. Like, not.
Right. I respect it. You keep it in G, man, and you respect your opponent. You ain't got to do much talking. Neither one of y'all, I know y'all ready. And I'm excited. So it's like, everything. I can respect it. You feel me? Y'all just had to face off the other day, and y'all didn't do as much. Like I said, I respect it. So, man, I can't wait.
I'm excited.
I'm gonna be having my cup.
Battle about to be recorded.
Westworld, man. We're gonna have Nitty in the building. We're gonna have Guy. We're gonna have ESB. We're gonna have
We ain't got no smoke session battle.
We got all them killers up in this motherfucker, man. Watching this shit.
Like, now one of them is a smoke session.
Definitely no smoke session battle.
No smoke session on the set. Everything finna go up.
Shout out everybody,
We
man.
gonna holler at you later, though, Grizz. I mean, Drinks.
Hey, man, I'm honored to be on this.
Hey, y'all put together, my bad. I'm fake. I've been drinking. I feel like somebody's like that. Yeah.
Tricks, I appreciate you. I was on my crazy car last time, man. Get your
I was seeing if you had a rap.
I appreciate you, man. You was on my crazy car last time. I know you didn't do your shit, man. I appreciate you for popping out now. Everything is much love. You already know how we rock it. Just like I said with everybody else, shout out to Billy. Finally got Billy on the car. I'm trying to get the niggas I've been wanting to get on the motherfucking. I've been waiting.
This shit wasn't TV.
Wait till Will's Way, please go. Wait till the fucking Will's Way to come, man. We coming, we not playing, man. Shout out GTX, man. GTX, we have a crazy one. We'll be right behind the wheel. That's our team. Every day. Y'all get ready to go. Let's go.
It's like that.
Fake hands.
You are face off experience, bro. I understand. I give it.
I'm battle experience. I got more experience than you have in life. In life.
Oh my God.
In life?
How old are you, Hansel?
I'm
In life.
24 years old.
In life, bro.
I'm 24 years old, sir.
And I promise you, I got more experience than you in everything that you want to talk about.
In money?
Oh.
Talk
I know he can't see me turning around looking at his ass, but talk that money shit.
In everything.
You ever sat across the table with a millionaire, bro?
Hey, I probably been in the same vicinity as this, man. I've been in the same vicinity.
Has that millionaire paid you?
Salute to you.
Yeah. It's different. It's different.
Salute to that.
Don't fight that experience. How old is you? How old is you?
Shout out to you. You look like
Definitely.
So what? That's perfect.
As a man by myself, I probably try to put it in the whole thing.
What?
I wish you could see me turning around looking at this nigga like, you gonna let him?
In everything. What are you talking about, bro?
Niggas probably pressure because of how you look. Nigga, that's why you had to fight.
Oh my God.
Who?
When you came up, this is a white man, sir.
Oh my God.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
That's a white.
What's
That's
up,
a white man, sir.
Hansel, stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me.
Hey, man.
You gotta ask, bro. If you ask before you talk, you know more.
I've been asking a lot of questions, sir. I'm always down to learn.
Oh, you been asking questions. You been doing research?
Right, months.
Research?
No, he hasn't. He ain't seen me versus God. He ain't doing enough research.
I don't look at past, cause that's not who I'm battling. I'm not battling that nigga. That
Man,
nigga
I'm gonna beat you with 1 week
dread.
prep, bro. You been prepping for 3 months. I'm gonna beat you in 1 week.
I wrote my rounds a while ago. Prepping this motherfucking time, nigga. That shit
A month. I've been memorizing my shit. A month.
I told you, I start writing. I don't give that whole short prep shit don't mean shit. That shit to me, honestly, it'd be a cop out because it's like if you get your ass whooped, you can say, oh, I had 1 week prep. But if you do good, you can say, oh my God, that was off 1 week. It's a like a come on, bro. Come on, bro.
You know what a cop out
I
is?
don't want to hear that shit. Not with me. You know
what a
I
cop out
am.
is?
And that's the thing. You can say whatever you want.
If we have a close
once that shit
battle,
goes off,
let me
you're
tell
gonna
you
go
what a
over them
cop out
rounds because you know what you're about to stand in front of, bro.
Listen,
You know you can't
listen,
choke
a cop
somebody
out-
out, do nothing. You know that. You know that. You know that. Your shit gotta be clean. You know that, bro.
Your shit gotta be.
Listen.
What am I not?
Your shit gotta
What
be
am I
clean,
not?
bro.
Talk,
This,
bro.
you going against the veteran. You know what I'm saying?
That's the thing.
So I understand
That's
what
why I'm not
I understand what you're saying too.
You don't know,
He can
though.
go- Listen,
I don't
listen.
even know who that is talking.
Bobby Lee, nigga, Bobby Lee.
Y'all consider.
Motherfucker,
Let me ask you
listen.
this.
He can go. Listen.
Y'all consider
No, wait, hold on. Let me finish
Y'all
this
consider
one.
K-Phil
He can go half-ass, and you can go clean, and motherfucking it still be a debatable.
Because man, you have to beat them, bro. That is facts, bro. No, bro, that's facts, bro. I'm trying to tell you. No, he has to completely fuck up. I'm saying half-ass. If he goes half-ass and you do good,
Y'all
you know what I'm saying?
Y'all consider K-Phil a veteran, a respectful opponent? I beat K-Phil in a judge battle in front of each guy in a small room.
Yeah, but it's a difference between K-Phil and fucking Next, man.
But hold on.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all talking about, I've never stood in front of shit. But then I asked y'all about a nigga that y'all respect. Y'all not respect K-Phil. It's K-Phil not a respected nigga.
I can't even front.
Are we gonna downplay K-Phil in this situation?
No, we're not.
Okay, so if I beat this man, if I beat this man in my fourth battle in a judge small room battle with Geechee Gotti as the definitive judge, that doesn't mean anything.
No, it doesn't. No, it does not mean anything. On the real. Compared to what Next is doing. It doesn't mean anything. You are actually the one that has to come clean. You have to come clean. He can come any kind of way, but you have to come to a certain level to make him get there, bro.
He doesn't.
Yes, he does.
He believes that he can come.
Yes, he does.
He can.
I do.
But I want to be honest. I want to be honest with him. So, man, look, I want to be honest with him so he can have, you know what I'm saying?
Have him fired, man.
So in his mind, he can have, so he can be realistic.
I just want to hear the dialogue.
You have to be realistic.
I just want to hear the dialogue after this battle. That's all I'm waiting for.
All right.
All I'm waiting for.
Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Whatever. You know what I'm saying?
We gonna wrap it up, man.
I just want you to be.
Who wins tomorrow? Who wins tomorrow? What's 2-1, 3-0?
3-0.
Me 2-1. He get a wrap.
I guess it's an upset since I'm such the underdog in this situation.
I think it's debatable.
First I was getting.
I do. Can I explain why? Can I explain why? Because it doesn't really matter. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you have to. It's you that have to do all the work. Really. You know what I'm saying? And that's what you want to do and shit. You just gotta hope that this motherfucker do. You know what I'm saying?
All right, Bobby.
You know what I'm saying? For real. But the potential of him fucking to smoking you is high.
Good shit, man. Hey, thanks for setting this up.
Make sure we don't pick Hey, don't subscribe to Westworld Battle Rap. Subscribe to the Westworld Battle Rap YouTube page. We'll be live streaming on Royal Day tomorrow at 2 p.m. Y'all know it is Westworld.